Today, I'll walk you through how to connect to Google Analytics data from Power BI Desktop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to pull your Google Analytics data into Power BI so you can create insightful reports and dashboards. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop on your computer. If you're new to Power BI, think of it as a powerful tool that helps you visualize your data, much like how a painter uses a canvas to create a masterpiece. Once Power BI is open, navigate to the Home tab at the top of your screen. This is where all the magic begins. Next, look for the Get Data button. This is your gateway to importing data from various sources, including Google Analytics. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. Now click on More. This will open up a window with even more options for data sources. In the search bar of this new window, type Google Analytics. This will filter the list to show only the relevant options. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Once you find Google Analytics, select it and click Connect. You'll need to fill in the connection settings with all necessary details to connect. This typically includes your Google account credentials and any specific settings related to your Google Analytics account. Take your time here, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once you've filled in all the required information, click Next. This will initiate the connection process. After a brief moment, a preview of your Google Analytics data will show up. Review it carefully to ensure everything looks correct. This is like checking the ingredients before you start cooking. You want to make sure you have everything you need. Once you're satisfied with the preview, you can proceed to place this data onto your Power BI canvas. This is where you can start creating visualizations and reports that will help you analyze your website's performance effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully connected to Google Analytics data from Power BI Desktop. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.